Oh, hello, old friend. It's been a minute. Mike and I have finally decided to get back on dirt bikes again. Completely out of practice. Mike already screwed up. What'd you leave at home?
Camelback.
Camelback with water. And we're gonna go do a little riding, single track, double track, and everything in between. Softball-sized rocks on this hill. Little side hill action here. Cool breeze, that feels great. A little higher elevation up here than the Vegas Valley. Vegas is like 2,200 feet. This is the van was about 4,300. And now we just climbed another God knows what. Where you at, drone? There you are. Alright, let's roll. Dropping in. Gonna jump off of that until there was a giant rock right below where the landing would be. Probably see in the background to my left here, that's the Vegas Valley. Great views from up here. It'd be cool to camp out here. Top of this hill, kind of in the summertime. That'd be freaking cool and a challenge. Ride with all your camping gear on your bike up this trail. Did I just create an idea for a new video? Curious to see the Skydio drone improvements since the last software update. Just updated like 2 days ago. Supposed to improve tracking as far as descent speed and just smoother and just better, I guess. Hopefully the battery lasts through this canyon. I think Stan the King calls this ARC Canyon. I forget why. He can comment below and let us know. Let me put it out there just a little bit farther. Yeah. Third position out. All right, here we go. Ooh, caught that rock. Oh, and that one. One way to get back in shape, just jump right back into it, right into the hard enduro stuff. Feeling pretty good though, not too bad. A little bit of arm pump, but nothing more than usual. Oh shit. one pointy rock always grabs my leg or the peg. Just trying to avoid it, and then I almost slid off the trail. Freaking love this section of the trail. It's still tight, but it opens up just enough. Get a little bit more speed going. Guaranteed I'm smoking Mike right now. I don't want to turn around and look for him because he's so far back. I'll have to like really focus on like how far he is, like where he's at. So I'll just go ahead and pull over up here. Right as I'm talking crap. Pull over up here and wait for him. Alright, crossroads. I think it's time to land the drone. There he is. Did you crash?
Fucking hit, Jack.
Oh shit.
Those aggressive, not aggressive.
Those pointy yuccas.
Felt like my finger was bleeding, but it doesn't look like it poked through my glove. But
Right there.
alright, on that.
Oh, on the finger. Yeah. So Mike and I did this ride back in, I think it was November. We did the reverse route of this. So this, I remember coming up, was a whole bit of a challenge of a hill climb. Mostly just because it's really loose. It's like nothing going down. I have. If not, it's still pretty cool. Which is usually how it goes when I create tracks for my GPS to follow. Yeah, this is them. Mike caught his finger back there on the tip of a yucca. It's gotta be painful. Spring. Oh, it's worth checking out. Nope, just a couple water tanks. And I think we're gonna find a spot to have a water break somewhere. There's really no hilltop. Good spot. It's gonna have to do. There's no shade. There's that.